believe many customers, or all of the customers, they may concern more about the order management after they place the order to Starway. They really want to understand that the orders are really handled or taken care of very smoothly and very closely. So here I want to introduce a little bit about the order management in Starway. So there are several steps to when the order started in Starway, and each steps is trying to make the timeline reliable and the production smoothly. So the first step is when we receive the orders from the clients, the first step is we have the order evaluation. So in Starway, we have each day, we have the very first thing when we started the day, every day, is the order evaluation team meeting. So we have the technical team, we have the technical leader, we have the QC leader, we have the production leader, we have the sales leader involved in the team to go through all the orders, to evaluate that there is no technical questions, there is no quality questions. If there are any questions, all this information will be exchanged and shared to the salesperson immediately during the meeting. So the salesperson will contact the customers for question solving. So this is the order evaluation, just to make sure that the orders, when we start the orders in Starway, the order will be smoothly produced without any surprise that during the production we brought up with any questions that is really surprising for the customers. But we do that in advance. The second thing is the production kickoff meeting. So every Tuesday and Friday, that's the production kickoff meeting. That when we finish the order evaluation team meeting, and then the order will be placed inside internally in Starway, then our engineer team will start to sorting out the drawing, to make the drawings, to finish the drawings, and prepare all the technical documents. And after that, we have a kickoff meeting. Again, the sales, the engineer, the quality, and the production will be involved in the team. So the engineer will guide the team meeting to explain how to make the products, what is the specific manufacturing process for each product, what is the critical tolerance, what is the critical features. So all the team leaders will fully understand about the products, about the drawing. So in this case, everyone understands the requirements, and during the production, all the information is aligned for each team. So there is no surprise, again, no surprise during the production. Then we have the order production management. So every Tuesday and Friday, there's the team for the production, for the order production management meeting. So the production leader will share to all the team leaders to understand exactly what is going on with the production for each order, any problems, any haunting problems, what is the plan for the next week, what is the plan for the sales that they may need to update to the customers about the status. They may need to talk with the customers if any problems. They may need to arrange with the customer about shipment, and as well as the other teams like the QC, what is the plan for each order, like what is the inspection plan for each order, and also the engineer, what is the packaging design plan for each order. So again, this production team, this production meeting is to make sure that every team understand what is going on with the order production, what is the problem, so everybody knows that information. So this is information exchange. Then at the very last step is the packaging and shipping. Again, as I said, with the shipping we can do different terms, many different terms for our customer, just to make the job easier. And for the packaging, we did the same thing, that we can do many different kinds of packagings, including the cotton box, the wooden box, everything. And also we can do the retail packing, because we now have many customers that they want us to do the very final packaging, that they can receive it and they can just sell it. So that's what we call the retail packing. We can help the customer to design packaging, and we have the product to make the packaging as well. So as long as the customer they provide the idea, the logo, how to design it, as long as they provide us the idea, we can just make the design. To make sure we can provide consistent quality to our customers, we need a very good quality team. In Starway, we have a big quality team, not just the quality inspectors in the headquarters, but also the QCs on site in the factory. So here is our quality control process. So we have for each order, when the order comes in, before we do the batch production, we would have the first article inspection to make sure the first article is correct. And then we have the 2-hour interval quality check on site for each manufacturing step. Then we have the finished production inspection, the assembly, shipping, marking, packaging, loading, and also the report. So for all the process, we have the check, and we have all the necessary inspection tools and equipments to check different dimensions or features. And at the end of the day, we will have the full report, starting from the dimension, the product finish, the packaging, the container loading, etc. So all that information will be shown in the inspection report, and this inspection report is always available for the customers.